Hey guys, I know I haven't made a video in a long time. That's because I'm waiting for stuff to get here and money. I've been working my ass off. And gotta wait. It's a wait game. And this is my first solder video. Like almost everybody has it one. So I'm gonna do one but for 4 gauge. I have a bunch of 0 gauge terminals, but these are different. I've never used this one, and I'm gonna try it out with that one. So let's get started. This is my new phone because my flip, I was doing exactly what I'm doing right now about 3 weeks ago, and I almost burned myself, and the camera was here standing up, and when I moved back so I wouldn't burn myself, it just fell straight into this drawer, and it just fucking broke. Outrageous. Well, I'm getting sidetracked. You're gonna need your trusty torch. And it's a bitch to get this without turning it on. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, now the tricky part is that you gotta keep the flame on there. Damn, that's gonna be a bitch. I'm gonna have to use my knees. There we go. Hopefully I don't burn my house. It's working. Ooh, yeah, that's filled up a little more. It's gonna cost me. Oh, please don't burn me. Fuck, I hate this part. Alright, here it goes. Oh. Ooh, that's ugly. But you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Alright. I'll trim it up, make it look pretty. Hold on, let me turn on the flash. You see that bitch won't come out now. So damn. See what I mean? Shit gets crazy sometimes. I'll clean it up, scrape it off, and then put a boot over it, or whatever the fuck they're called. And yeah, that's my video. More to come. Just random shit.